What's up, what's up, what's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back at it again in the garage with the 911. If you haven't checked out the video, we got the window tinted, all black, and a couple other mods. Just go ahead and check out the last one. We finally got the cats out, ready to put the cat bypass pipes in. And the original plan was to put the stock muffler back on with the bypass pipes, but yeah, I'm thinking about just going all or nothing. So we're gonna straight pipe that bad boy. We're just gonna put some pipes to the end of this and have them coming out with the tips. So after I put that on, I do have to make my way super straight pipe to the muffler shop and have them bend it and crimp it and have some way where we can fit this thing on here. The exhaust tips, they do unscrew right here, but there's some sort of like swiveling thing where they won't come completely off. So I'm hoping I can reuse that. This is the regular exhaust, so if you guys are not familiar. No valve, no vacuums, nothing. It's just a regular stock box. Same thing with straight piping it. There's gonna be no valves, no trickery. It's just gonna be loud 100% of the time. There's no way to quiet it down. And yeah, so not really too pressed about it sounding crazy, loud. If anything, it's just a really loud freaking cold start. I'll roll this bad boy out of here, take it on some roads, and you know, full send. Damn, son, where'd you find this? What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. 35, 45, 55, I'm a little hype. I took a little coffee. I finally got to that point in my life where I think I'd say I'm ready to let this thing go. How many videos I've been saying that for? I got a few things to do. I gotta find me this screw thing. Where is it at? Right here. This right here, we need about 8 of these. These are the screws that go on the turbo on the Porsche. But yeah, it would be super dope though. If I had like friends that would, I mean, I don't know. You know, like I let it go for the low to any of my friends. So if any of my friends that are watching this, I let it go to you for the low, man. Just give me whatever the trade-in value is on this car, plus like, you gotta take me out to eat too. You know, you enjoy the car for couple months, it cost you like $2,000. That's, I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, an MG thing. I think it's MG. I used to have a guy, a Trini neighbor, that used to ship those shits to Trinidad. He used to, I came home one day and it was a big ass box, like a big box in front of the crib. Yeah. Well, his crib. Car in it? With a car in it, and it said to Trinidad. Uh-oh. Yeah, like my man wasn't playing. Yeah. I'm that guy.
He's like, I'm parked here to be by my fucking self. This BMW Fiesta.
It's crazy how big the cars have gotten over time. I mean, this is probably generally a small car to begin with, but we're on a mission. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a Toyota. That Camry is towing something. That's.
Oh,
now that's torque.
I've never seen that.
That's torque. That's pickup truck shit right there.
Yeah.
I'm talking about.
Shit. I did not know that. Small car. Yeah.
It's probably the 4-cylinder that shit.
I didn't know they had a hitch on the back on those.
Toyota built tough. Yep, there we go. It should be. Put that one back. Put that one back. Put it back where it belongs. You're gonna ruin everybody else's damn thing. Boom. All right, I need 2 more. So get 2 packs. Now where are the? That's the number. Do they have one that has the lip on it? No. A little lip on it? No.
You look skinny like macaroni.
get caught behind this damn dumpster truck. I got the camera on the hyper view. I know it probably look real weird. Yeah, my man's ain't turning no time soon. So you guys can see, let me turn on this light. Voila, got the helmet light on. There's the exhaust tip. The turbos literally come straight in. Same for this one. I swear it's like about 1.5 feet away. Now, what would make a lot more sense if I were to just cut right here and weld on a straight pipe literally back. However, I do want to keep this bend in case I want to run an exhaust. I made a mistake, it's too loud. Then I can just throw the exhaust system back on. So I'm not going to cut these or ruin these. These are pretty expensive, by the way. Like for a piece of metal pipe, these ones I got, they're affordable, but I'm talking about like normal ones, like Soul, they were like $1,600 for something like this. To be honest, Smart Mike would have just bought turbos, manifolds, and just swapped everything already. Manifolds are not necessarily required to swap, but everything is like freaking rusted as far as the bolts wise down here. Just, it looked nice, everything all new and fresh, but stay tuned for that. We'll get into that maybe later on in life. I'll swap everything out. First, I took off the heat shield, which is like an easy screw right here, then the screw on the top. These little T30 looking things. And they were some in a difficult area. Like you're gonna need a variety of crap. Anything from normal ratchets and normal wrenches to swivel ratchets. Some extensions, swivel extensions. Where's my funky wrench? I have a weird shaped wrench too, right here. Yeah, you're gonna need a bunch of stuff. All of these tools are what I used to get these bad boys off. And it's honestly, it's pretty tricky. You gotta get these four. I took this off to kind of help out on both sides just to get some access in it with the tools. I took this flap off on the other side. Not too difficult. You have so much more room in here now. Line it up with this one hole. And it's supposed to sit somewhat like this. Moment of truth, we're about to cold start that bad bitty. Here goes nothing. Way too loud. Whoa. I'm putting the exhaust on. That's way too loud. Way too loud. Woo! That Mustang, that's straight piped. That Mustang was straight piped. Oh. You can hear the turbo spool like crazy. Mercedes, I don't know if that was a C43 or a C. They all got V4. They got 4 cylinders in them. It does sound a little bit better. All right, we got some fuel. Take a quick run because your boy got to take a shower. Freaking stink, dirty. I'm in a freaking Porsche, man. It's insane. Turn in sport mode. And it's warmed up a little bit. It does sound good. It's still not loud though, but it sounds pretty good. Oh, you can hear a little bit of them. You know what I noticed now too? When I'm looking at the boost gauge, it goes up to like 17 and then dials back down to like 12. Like it peaks, like it spikes or something. You hear them bitches coming on? I think I like the fact that it's more responsive than it is loud, but I kind of want it more loud. Man, I see how it sounds from the outside. A few hours later, I figure I'd give you guys some sound clips. In this car, you can hear the intake noise. And I know once I straight pipe it, there's no more intake noise. Yeah. I'm curious to see how it sounds outside, but I'm doing the best I can with the GoPro. I'm at the iPhone mic for inside driving. I don't know, I kind of like this. It's a little bit more tamed. I don't know, to be continued, because I really don't know what I want to do now. I don't want to make it so raspy, and that cold start was way too loud in the garage. That's why I turned off that's why I put on the muffler, because that straight pipe in the garage was insane. I think this is loud enough. I really do. I don't know what the hell in the beginning made me think it wasn't. It's freaking loud. It has a really nice growl now. This is the resting bitch idle right here. I think it's a huge success. Sorry for me holding the mic. It does feel a little weird, but I just put up in this random spot that had some light in it. You hear the flat six intake, you can hear the flat six exhaust, you can hear like a little ticking. Either the little heat shield is loose, because with these downpipes, I need to get nut and bolt to put the rest of them on. Like the two easiest ones are nut and bolt on both sides, so I gotta go pick up some of those. It might be rattling, or it might be like a little exhaust leak. I don't know if you could hear it buzzing on the... Nah, you wouldn't be able to hear it. So just like that, we back in the crib. At the end of the day, I think what's best for me and my sanity is to just keep the muffler on. So how you guys hear it is just how it's gonna be. I'm pretty sure it rips outside. I'm gonna get some drive-by clips and stuff like that. It's just me by myself today, so you know, ain't got much going on. Tired, back in the crib. Got a few more things. Actually, I got something I'm looking at right now. Just came in today, got another mod. I'm just waiting on another package, and I'm gonna be back outside on jack stands. Well, actually not on jack stands for this one and the other one, thankfully. But hey guys, hope you guys like this. Put in the comment section below. You think it's too loud or you think it's too quiet? I'm curious to think what you guys are gonna see. Stay tuned for more stuff, Mike from So Speed, just like that.